Hello everyone, this is Hina here. Welcome to my channel Biochemistry Club. And today's lecture is about adding references to MS Word documents using EndNote. So let's start today's lecture. EndNote is actually a software package that allows researchers and writers to add references to their documents. Not only you can add references, but through this software package, you can edit, remove, and update your citation style according to the particular formats. So the very first question is how to create EndNote library and import references in it. For this purpose, first of all, we will open up EndNote. So once the EndNote has been opened, you can create a new library by opening a new file and can rename your library. For example, in this case, I will rename my library to crossovers. And here is my library where I will import references from online sources. So for this purpose, suppose this is a particular document I am working on, role of ZMM family of proteins in meiotic crossovers. Here, and this data I have taken from different papers, and now I want to add the references of those paper in my document. Suppose the first sentence or the first information is from the paper. I can show you. Suppose this information is from this particular paper that is entitled Diffusion Mediated Height and Coercing Can Explain Meiotic Crossover Positioning. So I will simply copy the title of this paper. We'll go to the Google Scholar. We'll paste that title here. And then by clicking on the cite option, I can download the particular reference in EndNote format. So once the file is downloaded, you can open it and the references will be imported to your library. So what is the next step? Click this reference, go to your Word file and place your cursor right after the sentence or paragraph where you want to add that reference. Click on Insert Citation options, insert selected citation, and your references has been added here. Similarly, for the second paragraph or the second information, I will again move to the particular paper from where I have taken this data. You copy the title of that paper, move to the Google Scholar, sorry, the new paper, and again will download the references in EndNote format by clicking on the cite option. So this way, you can download the references of any data you have taken from any source and can add that reference into your document. Okay, the second question is how to update citation style. So as you can see here, the references are being updated in numbered format. So if you want to change the format style, for example, you want to convert the references to APA6 format, you simply have to select the style from this menu and your references will be automatically updated. If there is a particular style or the particular journal in which you want to submit your paper, you can browse the journal of interest from this list. For example, the Journal of Chemistry, and your references will be modified according to that journal style. The third question is convert citations to unformatted citations. And for this, what you will do, you will click on the option Convert Citation and Bibliography to Unformatted Citation. And what it will do, it will help you to edit or modify your word format without affecting the EndNote references. So once you have done with all editing, for example, I will add one more line here. The crossover formed during meiosis are highly organized. And suppose this information was from the same paper. So once I have done with all the formatting and editing, I will click on Update Citations and Bibliography. And my references will be updated according to that particular format. The next question is edit or remove citations. Checked it. So suppose after proofreading, my supervisor asked me to update this reference and to replace this one with the latest one from 2024. So I will not simply delete it by pressing the del option. I will go to the edit and manage citation. And here there is an option to remove citation. So once I will click OK, that particular reference will be removed from my list. So the next one is save a new reference type. So suppose I want to submit my article or the paper in a particular journal, and once I browse the citation styles, that particular journal is not available here. So what I will do, I will download the citation style of that particular journal from the Google. For example, the citation style of the journal Molecular and Cellular Probes. In this case, PaperPile will help you. So if I open this website, you will see here I have the output style for the EndNote. So by simply opening this tab, so you can see the reference style of this particular journal, Molecular and Cellular Probe, is available, and I can download it by clicking this. Download. And then you can open it. Now you can simply save this by clicking on save as, and you can rename it as Journal of Molecular and Cellular Probe. So now moving to my document, you can search that recently downloaded style in this option. You can see Journal of Molecular and Cellular Probe is available here. So you can click OK, and you will see your references will be updated according to this journal format style. So the last one, common errors or problems with EndNote. So sometimes what happened when we try to add references in the document, suppose I am going to add a reference here. So you can see the reference is not updated here. And here the reference style is Journal of Molecular and Cellular Probes, but this reference is not updated according to this journal style. So this is because the instant formatting is off. So please check while working with your document that instant formatting is always on. And if it is off, you can turn it on by clicking this option. And you will see once you will turn on this option, all of the references, they will start updating. Another problem is when your EndNote is not licensed. In that case, your library will be limitized and you cannot add more than 10 references within one library. So you have to create multiple libraries in that particular scenario. So I will highly recommend you to download the EndNote using your academic institutional email IDs. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any further questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.